Hi dear Libras, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Libras, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. And keep in mind this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. Okay, and this is a reading from 1st of September till the 10th of September. Let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is Libra. Your partner's current energy right now is Nine of Swords. Not able to sleep, anxious, stressed, very stressed, not able to take any kind of decision in their life. Although they have all the things that is required for a luxurious and happy life, still they are not able to sleep. They are anxious, they are very stressed, under some kind of pressure right now. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords in their current energy. Let's see. Nine of Pentacles, the World, the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, I feel like this person is shifting whole of their focus on their money, on their business, on their job, on their looks, and they're feeling like everything is over now. They are feeling like they are, the cycle, there is a cycle that is completed in their world right now, in their life right now, and they're leaving everything on the universe. They're trying to do that. Okay, they're trying to do that. They're trying to shift their focus on their money, on their job, on their business, on their looks and everything. They are aware that there is something that is like, there is something that is over now, that there is something, there is a completion of a cycle, and they are just believing the universe that whatever is happening, this is happening for my highest good right now. Okay, but they are under so much stress. They are under so much stress and pressure, not able to sleep. Insomniac. Although they are feeling like this should happen, like I should focus on my career, I should leave everything on the universe, I know this, I know that, still they are not able to believe in that. They are thinking like they should think like that. Okay, but they are not able to do that. Libra, let's see what's your current energy. Libra, your current energy right now is let's see. Death. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. Libra, you are right now dealing with a separation, you are right now dealing with a breakup, you are right now dealing with lots of shit in your life, and you are feeling like your life is completely transforming into something. Your life is not the same again. This is death and rebirth. You are feeling like a complete new person now. You are feeling like I am no more the same as I used to be. No more the same at all. Dealing with a separation, dealing with some kind of might be, if you guys were married, might be a divorce or something. Let's clarify the Death card as your current energy. Five of Cups, Queen of Cups, Page of Pentacles. You are deeply sad. You are going through some kind of grief and loss right now, because you carry lots of love for somebody. You carry lots of love, Libra, for somebody, because this is the Queen of Cups energy. You care for them, you love them, you feel like they are the only one for you, and you want to reconnect with them. You want to reconnect with them. You want to start this connection with them. See, Five of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the Page of Pentacles. You want to restart this connection with them. Although you feel like there is nothing left in this connection, we both are completely over, still you carry lots of love for them. You carry lots of emotions for them, and you want to reconnect with them. Libra, this is your story right now. You are right now in a very emotional state of mind, and you are feeling like, if not this person, nobody else. This is your situation right now. Wow, you are so much in love with this person, Libra. So much in love with them. Let's see what this person feels for you. Give me a second. Yeah, I should shuffle. The Hermit. Could be dealing with a Virgo here, Libra. This person right now is feeling like they should take a break. They feel like they are not in the right state of mind right now to talk about relationship or love or anything like that, or emotional, or talk about emotions or anything like that. They are right now feeling like they should take a break from everything right now. They are trying to seek the answers from within, not from anybody else, not from you, not from them. They are just trying to tap into their spiritual side and seek the answers from within. Let's clarify the Hermit in their feeling, as their feelings for you. Let's clarify the Hermit. Eight of Cups, of Seven of Swords, and the King of Wands. I feel like this person walked away from you, and the reason was because they were there was a truth that came out. Okay, and I feel like they had they had some kind of, you know, sexual intercourse or sexual thing with somebody else, and that's why they are feeling like they are no more, you know, might be they are no more interested in you, or might be they are no more able to face you in that situation, in that love kind of situation or emotional situation. I feel like they walked away, and there's some kind of truth that they revealed to you, or there is something that is revealed to them. There was some kind of truth that came out to light, and that completely changed your emotions, and that completely changed your equation with them. Okay, so they are feeling like they should just walk away from you because they messed around, they did something really stupid, and they feel like they should take a break from everything right now. I feel like this person right now is not emotionally stable at all. They are not able to decide anything about you or them, or about this equation with you, or about this relationship with you. They feel like they should walk away because there's no longer there's nothing left in this situation with you, and there was some kind of truth that they revealed to you. They told you something that was completely heartbreaking for you and them as well. And yeah, I feel like they had might be a one night stand with somebody else, or they had a relationship with somebody else that was completely sexual or something like that. That's why they are just taking, that's why they are like feeling like they should be silent, not able to decide anything. They are silent. Why am I getting depressing readings today? What kind of situation am I like? I'm okay, but I don't know why am I getting kind of, you know, depressing readings today, Libra. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, Libras. Let's see what this person wants from you. Ten of Cups, and I feel like I should reshuffle. I don't know why. Let's see. Let's see what this person wants from you. Fool. I feel like this person wants to have a connection with you. Definitely they want to have a connection with you, but they don't want to think about the past or future. They just want to live in the present with you. They just want to go with the flow. They feel like, yeah, okay, we will be connected with each other. I will take the risk with you, of friendship at least right now. They want to start from scratch. They feel like they should have a, you know, a faith in you, or this connection with you, but they don't want to commit to you, or they don't want to be in a relationship with you. Let me keep this somewhere else. Okay, they just want to be in a connection with you, not in a relationship with you, but just on the surface level, like a friendship, or just let's start, let's see where it is going. Let's clarify the Fool as what they want from you. They want a connection with you, but not on a committal level. Three of Pentacles, Five of Wands, and then Nine of Wands. Yeah, they want to put in the effort and energy in this connection with you. Okay, because they feel like after this fight, after this battle between you guys, whatever is happening between you guys from a long time might be, or after this truth came out, I feel like you guys were constantly fighting with each other, and you are deeply hurt. You are deeply hurt, Libra. You are emotionally off, detached, cold, not talking to them properly. But they want to, you know, invest in this relationship. They want to invest in this connection. They want to end this fight. They want you to come out of this situation where you're very, very hurt, and restart this connection all over again. But again, on a scratch, on a friendship level, on a scratch, from scratch. They don't want to be in a, you know, a committed relationship, or any kind of commitment or love relationship from you as of now. They just want to hang out with you and have a friendship with you, and they just want to see where it is going. Yeah, I feel like this person is somewhere deeply very, very guilty, not able to express their guilt, not able to express their anger, what they are feeling right now. They know that they messed around. Okay, but they are feeling like, yeah, let's see. Okay, I did this, but now what? Okay, let's see what is coming towards you till 10th of September, Libras. Let's see. Six of Cups, reconciliation. A reconciliation is coming towards you. I feel like you and this person is going to meet again, and you guys are going to cherish all the sweet memories that you guys had together. And I feel like this relationship will start all over again on a friendship level, with a friendship level, okay? And you guys are going to heal from something. I feel like you both are really hurt, both are not talking to each other on that level, and that's why you both need healing. So that's why I feel like your past person is coming towards you. This person is finally coming towards you, and there's a reconciliation, and that will bring you more of happiness. Very, you are going to be really happy after seeing them after so long. Okay, let's clarify. Six of Cups, Six of Pentacles, the Temperance card, the Justice card. Here you are, Justice card. Okay, Libra. You could be dealing with another Libra or a Sagittarius here. So Six of Cups is clarified by the Six of Pentacles, the Temperance card, and the Justice card. I feel like you both are going to be equally invested in this relationship, in this friendship, on that you are starting again, all over again. And both of you are going to be, feel like emotionally stable. You will try, both of you will try to get emotionally stable in this connection, to act like two mature people coming together and putting in effort and energy in this connection. And you are going to do justice with the situation. Okay, you feel like, yeah, this is the justice, that we should act like mature people and we should just move forward in life, and let's start this connection again, because we had lots of memories together, we had lots of sweet memories together, and we can't just leave each other just like that. We are friends and we will be friends forever. There's reconciliation coming in with the past person for you, and this is going to make you really happy, Libra. Okay, after this sadness, after this resentment, after this grief and loss, I feel like you're going to hug this person, and you guys are going to, have a very sweet time together. Okay, cool. So Libra, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video, from 11th September till 21st of September. God bless you. Namaste. Bye bye.